Hey everyone, we're out here at the Cisco Innovation Center, and I've been talking to Travis here. We've been chatting about Edge Hub the last few days,
Yeah.
and that's a partner play. A lot of partners are building value with use cases, but we're discovering that there's a lot of opportunity for extending the protocol capabilities in the device as well. Can you give me some more information and what you've seen out there?
Yeah, one of the things I'm really excited for with all of our IoT and our manufacturing partners is Edge Hub is going to allow you to innovate on top of that. And so there's a wide variety of industry protocols that machines use. And so we're looking for partners with specific industry expertise. So maybe that's helping smart cities with the protocols around traffic lights, or that's CNC cutting machines. And so we've seen some recent partners build out some very cool additional services on top of Edge Hub so they can ingest that protocol and use that data. And so there's going to be a lot of opportunity to partner with Splunk and Cisco as we kind of move forward and build out those industry expertise and just really support customers with very specific industry problems and needing solutions. And so we're looking forward as we kind of continue down this journey to bring on those partners. And so we're hoping a lot of them go look us up, go to partners.splunk.com, submit a form, and kind of inquire about how they can support us.
So yeah, if I'm a partner out there and I'm maybe a Cisco partner or a Splunk partner, I can go get some more information at partners.splunk.com.
Yeah, partners.splunk.com. You can also go to Edge Hub Central and you can learn a little bit more about Edge Hub. We also have a page that you can fill out on there as well. But partners.splunk.com is a great way to fill out a form, understand our partnerships and our ecosystem.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Thanks, Jason.